Good morning, everyone. So I wanted to come on here and show you a couple updates that I've done, and also tell you a couple reminders. So I promise this video will be pretty short, but I need you to watch the entire thing. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the daily schedule looks a little bit different. I wanted to make it easier for you guys to, this is the actual schedule. I wanted to make it easier for you guys to read the schedule and color code it so it's easier for you guys to look at, and it also makes it a little bit more fun. All right, so as you can see, this is what the schedule is going to look like from now on. It has easy steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, just like the new Google Classroom does, and we'll go over that soon as well. So for today, it says step 1. This is what you are going to do first. Reading. New website alert. Click the link below to watch how animals get their different traits. You guys, I cannot stress this enough. It is so important that you actually read the directions so you know what you're supposed to do. So I am going to click this link, and I'm going over this since it's a new website. You can thank Mr. Calicote for giving me this website, recommending this website for you guys. So you are going to watch how animals get their traits. Traits, you're going to figure out in the video, are like what they look like and why. So for humans, it's like, well, I have blonde hair, I have green eyes. Those are my traits. So this is a really cool video. You're going to watch that, and then it says click this link to take the quiz. So it's really important that you guys watch the entire video, and then you are going to take this little quiz and press play quiz, and it's like a Kahoot that you get to do against yourself. So this is, I'm available to do it on my computer. I'm able to do it on my computer, but I'm not sure if you will be able to do it on your computer, so let me know if that does not work for you guys this morning. Okay, then it says get Lexia done, so you need 4 units today in 20 minutes. And then that's all for step 1. You're done. You know you're done when you've completed all of these bullets. Then you go on to step 2. This is going to be Brain Pop. You're going to log into Brain Pop and do some division practice. Once you've done the division practice, you're going to go to step 3 and complete the division exit ticket on Google Classroom. Now, I'm going to make it even easier, and I'm going to post the link right here to the division exit ticket for the Google Classroom. Then you're going to do your writing, then step 5, and so on. So this is a really easy way for you guys to read the schedule and do it step by step by step. Now, on Google Classroom, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed because I thought that this was really easy for you guys to do, following the step-by-step guides, and what I found out was I only had a few people turn in some of the assignments. So, for example, for the writing prompt, I had 9 of you turn it in here, and 6 of you turn it in here. So 9 plus 6 is 15. That's 15 kids who turned it in, but we have 22 in the class. What I was really disappointed about was step 4, the United States presidents. You had to create a Google Doc or a Google slide writing about only 3 facts about the president that you learned about. As you guys can see, only 3 people turned that in. So I want to make sure that you all pass 3rd grade by the end of the year, but you need to be making sure that you turn your work in. Make sure you also press turn in at the top of the assignments, the Google Docs and Google Slides, so they're turned in. And then I had no people that went outside and made their nature person. So if you did do that, can you please send it to me or chat with me and let me know that you did it? And I just really want to see what you guys made. So let's see, yesterday, the most important thing was the author's purpose exit ticket, and 15 of you turned it in, which is good, but then I can see, so all these people turned it in, and then, so all these people turned it in, and then, I can see right here are the people who did not turn this in. So if you are one of these people over here on the left-hand side, you need to make sure that you go back and turn it in. It's just one question, and it was step 2 of your assignments yesterday. And then as you can see for the writing prompt yesterday, I only had 7 people turn it in. Shout out to these people. And then I know some of you turned it into my Gmail account, which I got those. But then over here, I did not get a writing from any of you guys over here that it says. So I just want to make sure that you guys know it's very important that you turn your assignments in, because I don't want to have to fail you because you're not doing your assignments. And then, so for today, you're going to read the schedule that I literally just went over, and then you are going to do step 1 is that traits video, step 1. Step 2, and I made it so easy for you guys that it's even on here and it's in your schedule. So there's 2 places to find it. Step 2 is to take the quiz. Step 3, here's your division exit ticket. What is 54 divided by 6? This one isn't multiple choice. You're going to enter your answer in. So you're going to put the answer in and then press submit. And then you have cursive writing practice, which is also right here. So pretty simple for today, but you guys need to make sure that you are doing all of your work. And also make sure you're doing your Lexia as well. Just another reminder, I can see your screens, so please make sure you are being appropriate and you are doing your work. And if you're chatting with friends, please make sure that you're making it appropriate. The occasional "I miss you," "how are you doing" are fine, but I've been finding some inappropriate things, so please make sure that stops, because then I have to report it. But other than that, I think that's all. Sorry, this is a little bit longer than I said it was going to be, but I hope you guys have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions, and I will see you soon via video chat. All right, bye guys.